Welcome to my shop. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Beekeeping Starters Kit from the Magnificent Bee. So let's open the box. Does look like maybe it was opened once before. There's 2 layers of tape and maybe one of them has been opened before. In the box, that's all the box has. We've got a bee brush, and it's got a taper on one end. I'm not sure what that's for. Nice soft horsehair bristles is what it looks like. Shellac, not bad, but it's for beekeeping. Next, I'm assuming this is the hive tool. Hive tool is a good thickness. Got a nice taper on it. It is not sharp, but it's just on the verge of. The taper goes back about 3/4 of an inch. There's a hole, looks like it's for hanging it on a tool belt if you have a specialized belt maybe, and a flange on this end is tapered on one side. This end is tapered both sides, and it's only tapered about 3/8 of an inch. This is the frame tool for removing frames from a hive. It's about not a bad gauge, spring on both sides for opening and closing, or for opening it. The handles spin a little bit. I wasn't expecting that. I guess you maybe want it to. Doesn't seem bad. I'm glad it does have springs on both sides. Let's open the last box. This would be the smoker. Sounds like there's something inside it. That's the other things I was just wondering about. So we have a smoker. Release the clip. I'm satisfied with that. I don't see any glaring issues. Well, the valve and everything on the smoker looks pretty good. Looks like there's a little bracket down here for letting air into or keeping air flowing in the bottom of the smoker. We have a wax pick for removing the wax from your honeycomb when you're harvesting. Looks pretty solid. It's a good solid plastic. And we have a feeder. This is designed to hold a bottle, water bottle, 2-liter bottle. They all have a similar size cap. I'll have to do some testing to see what it fits. Fill that with a mixture of your syrup, your sugar syrup, to feed the bees. I believe everything in the kit was as represented. It all looks like it's good stuff. If you want to see it in use, follow my YouTube channel and see how it holds up. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.